Omnichannel marketing versus multi-channel marketing. Do you know the difference? Whether you do, don't, or only sort of know, don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is, in a couple of minutes, you will. But before we dive in, be sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss other helpful videos just like this one. All right, let's go. Let's start by first defining what omnichannel marketing is. Omnichannel marketing is the practice of carrying out marketing campaigns using various channels. For example, email, SMS, and paid ads, where the customer is at the center of the strategy and each channel works together. And I stress, works together to create unified customer journeys for your brand. Omnichannel marketing is designed to create a seamless customer experience across all channels. For example, think of a shopper who shops on your website, places an item in their cart, and then leaves without completing their purchase. Oh, I know, right? The person is then retargeted on Facebook or paid search with the products they abandoned in their online shopping cart. The underlying data, in this case the abandoned cart info and purchase history, is informing the other channels about their stage in the shopping journey. When a purchase is made, the retargeting ads and subsequent abandoned cart emails and text messages cease, giving way to post-purchase messaging. With an omni-channel approach, seamless messaging across channels is created. Now let's discuss the differences between omni-channel marketing and multi-channel marketing. Multi-channel marketing, on the other hand, is pretty much what it sounds like: multiple channels. With multi-channel marketing, the brand, not the customer, is at the center of the strategy. The marketing activities happen on more than one channel, but are not necessarily connected. For example, a customer receives a marketing email from a brand. Later that day, they also receive a text message. The text message does not rely on the consumer behavior from the email or e-commerce platform. So even though the customer may have purchased earlier, it doesn't matter. These are two channels working independently from one another. If this example sounds familiar, it's because most businesses practice multi-channel marketing. So with multi-channel marketing, the brand is at the center of the marketing strategy. Channels operate independently of one another. It consists of primarily static communication with messages that are relatively the same sent across several channels. And channels don't update and personalize to suit the customer's needs or stage in their shopping journey. With omnichannel marketing, the customer is at the center of your marketing strategy. The channels work together, and the message changes and adapts to how the customers have interacted with your brand. Customers' behavior prompts updates to each channel. Now, let's look quickly at what omnichannel marketing looks like using a marketing provider like Omnisend. Make no mistake, omnichannel marketing provides a better customer experience, and Omnisend can help any e-commerce brand graduate from a multi-channel to an omnichannel strategy. A platform like Omnisend was built not just for e-commerce, but for brands that want to explore all that omnichannel marketing provides by featuring the primary elements needed to make it happen. This includes multiple channels that work together, such as email, SMS, and web push notifications, social media via built-in audience sync for Google and Facebook ads, intuitive e-commerce tailored segmentation, behavior-based marketing automation to instantly deliver messages based on a subscriber's activity, with the option to combine multiple channels into a single workflow, and data reports to analyze and optimize your efforts. And there you have it. Now you know the difference between an omnichannel and a multi-channel marketing strategy. Get started with your own omnichannel strategy by going to the video description, clicking the link, and creating a free Omnisend account, just like the 70,000 other e-commerce brands who trust Omnisend to help them grow their business.